Here is a question on general organic chemistry. Read the question carefully and think about the answer. Let us solve it step by step. Let us first understand the key concept here. Oxidation state is determined by assigning electrons in bonds to the more electronegative atom and summing the formal charges. Moving on to the next step. Oxidation state of OS in 7b, OSO4. OSO4 has osmium bonded to 4 oxygen atoms via double bonds. Each oxygen has oxidation state -2. The molecule is neutral, so OS plus 4 minus 2 is equal to 0, giving OS is equal to +8. Moving on to the next step. Oxidation state of OS in 7C, osmate ester. In 7C, the osmium is chelated by 2 oxygen atoms from the diol, single bond OSO linkages, each O carries -2 and retains 2 OXO, OS is equal to O, ligands, each O carries -2. The total oxygen count bonded to OS is 4, each with -2. However, in the osmate ester, the 2 O atoms that were previously double-bonded oxygens in OSO4 are now single-bonded, ester type, oxygens still assigned -2, but OS has been reduced by 2 electrons, one from each new CO bond formed. The complex is an OS, 6, species, OS plus 4, -2, plus overall charge considerations for the cheltering, the 2 alkoxide oxygens are each -2, and 2 OXO oxygens are each -2, total -8 from O. For a neutral complex, OS is equal to +8 would apply, but the actual product is an OS, 6. Osmate ester with formal charge on OS is equal to +6 because the 2 new OC bonds donate electron density and the product is the cyclic osmate, 6, ester. The standard result from organometallic organic chemistry, OSO4 is OS, +8, and the osmate ester intermediate is OS, +6. This is consistent with osmium being reduced from +8 to +6 during the dihydroxylthione reaction, A3+2, cycloaddition, gaining 2 electrons from the alkene pi bond. And for the final step, 7b, OS is equal to +8, 7c, OS is equal to +6. Answer is B, 8, 6. A, 6, 8 reverses the values incorrectly. C, 6, 6 gives wrong value for OSO4. D, 8, 8 ignores the reduction of OS during osmate ester formation. Therefore, the correct answer is B. Therefore, the correct answer is option B.